Today, we're going to talk about using Smart Mockups in Canva. Let's get started. So it used to be anytime you wanted to do a Smart Mockup, you actually had to be in a design and you would click on an image and you would click Edit Image and you would have to scroll down and see the Smart Mockups. There's roughly about 100 or so. But what Canva has done is they created a brand new Smart Mockups section. So let's take a look. So in your left pane here at the Canva home screen, you're going to scroll down until you see Smart Mockups. So they have added, as you notice here in the search, over 8,000 mockups. I will tell you that most of them are for the Pro version of Canva. And if you do not have the Pro version of Canva, if you'd like a 45-day free trial, there will be a link down in the description. So let's get started. You'll see right here that you have the choice to choose between technology, print, packaging, apparel, and home and living. So you can click on them and kind of see what's in the other section. I will also note that you can't, there's no three dots up here to see like what the image name is. So basically you have to go through and scroll. Hopefully Canva will add a new feature with that soon. But you'll notice here I have some recent ones that I have been utilizing. And then if we go to packaging, if you notice here beverages, this is where for those people that sell sublimation tumblers and mugs and things like that, you will find cups here, you'll find wine bottles, just a whole assortment that you can use for your mock-ups. So let's go back. And in home and living, they do have mugs totally separate. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to mugs. And because I've used it before, I have it down here in trending. But if you click on it, you will see all the different types of mock-ups that you can utilize. So for this example, and it just keeps scrolling, let's just utilize this one. So you'll click on the design, and then at this screen, you'll want to select your image. So there are two choices. You can go to your uploads and choose one that you have in your uploads, or you can upload a new one, or you can choose something from your designs, which is a really nice feature. So I'm actually going to utilize this one that I have here. I purchased this from the Happy Template Co. and I will put her Etsy shop down below. So that way, if you would like to purchase it, you can. So you'll notice here that the image is brought in. But what you can do is you can adjust the image. So right now it's just basically to fit, and you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. I'm going to just kind of make it bigger, and then you can align it. They have different, you can flip it a couple different ways. So let's flip it back. And then when you click on save, it'll show you what the mockup is going to look like. And then when you click on save mockup, you're going to get another pop-up screen. My computer's being a little bit bogged down. And so you can actually use this in a design, and what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to make a custom size. You have a poster, Facebook cover, Instagram story, just the same tools that you have in Canva. So I'm just going to choose a custom size, and we'll do 1000 by 1000 pixels. So what it's going to do is it's going to open up and it's going to bring your image in. So if I wanted to make this a black background, so there you have your mock-up, and you can actually scale it. You can add other elements to it. But if we go back to the Smart Mockups, another option is to download. so you can download it. You don't have any options here on how to download it. Canva automatically downloads it as a PNG file. So then what you want to do is you can close out this. But if you notice down below, similar to this template, you will have other items that kind of relate to the mug. And this will give you some additional options, like if I wanted to click on it and do a different design, I'm going to upload a new pattern. And again, I bought this other one from the Happy Template Co. And I will link down below. And we'll let that upload. Whoops, I hit the wrong button. Then you want to click on it and click on select. And I'm going to adjust the image. I'm going to bring it up a little bit further. Or if you want to just click on fill, it'll fill the image. Stretch, it'll stretch it. Not a real fan of the stretch because it kind of distorts your picture. We'll just do a fill. And we'll click on save. And now you have a new mock-up and you can save that mock-up. My computer's being a little sluggish. And then you can utilize it in a design. Again, let's just do a Facebook post. And then you can come back here and we'll add some text. And I'm going to bring that up here, make a couple little changes. And you have your mock-up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to see more videos, please click on the like. If there are any particular videos that you would like to see tutorials on, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when new videos come out.